giving you the inside track on local businesses. This is 13 Inside Track, sponsored by Transitions Indy.
Welcome to 13 Inside Track. I'm Laura Steele. Today we're coming to you from Transitions Indy, and we are joined by its clinic director, Will Sadler. Will, we are here to talk about RIVE Exosomes and Ultra Plus treatment, and I want to know about this new treatment that you have and how it differs from other treatments.
Absolutely. So thanks so much for being here. And honestly, it doesn't differ a whole lot from what we offer otherwise, but it's different enough, right? So basically, this is a product that is doing exactly what we do here, and that is specialize in hair restoration. So this is something that does allow for us to treat thinning hair. The big difference is going to be that it is a new step in technology with regards to using plant-based exosomes, which is like plant-based stem cell derivatives, basically. So it's where nature meets science.
Hence the name Derive.
Exactly. Yeah. So the cool thing about this is that the derived serum in itself is what contains these products. So these basically nanoparticles or exosomes that help with delivering more blood flow, reducing inflammation, recruitment of stronger cells into the area to promote new growth. The aspect of where the clinical side of things come into play is also the Ultra Plus, which is the device that applies the ultrasound frequency, and that's going to help with delivering a lower weight of the product to drive deeper into the scalp.
You mentioned serum. Let's talk a little bit more about that serum. What's that all about?
So the serum in itself has been studied for over 20 years. It's dermatologist-backed, and one of the dermatologists that actually helped with finding this or developing this type of product spent a good part of his career really honing into the right plants to develop this technology.
Okay, let's talk about the perfect candidate for this new treatment that you're offering.
Everyone's a great candidate. You know, if someone is going through hair loss or thinning hair, this is a great avenue that they can go down. It's pain-free. It's honestly feels kind of like a stone massage as well. So men, women, both, even people that are younger in age that don't like necessarily the thought of needles, great candidate.
Okay, sounds like a little bit like a spa treatment. All right, let's talk about why you decided to bring this treatment to Indiana.
Super simple. This is an FDA product that is registered. It's safe, it's easy, pain-free, it's quick, and effective.
And you've had it done before. Tell me your experience quickly.
Honestly, it was super simple. You know, you're in, you're out, and I noticed a decrease in shedding rapidly.
Okay, and let's talk about if somebody's watching, they want to find out more, they'd like to look into this new treatment or any of the other treatments you offer here. How can they find out?
So you can go to transitionsindy.com for your free hair and scalp analysis.
All right, Will Sadler of Transitions Indy, we appreciate your time today. If you'd like to see your business or your organization featured on 13 Inside Track, all you have to do is email us at 13insidetrack@wthr.com.
This 13 Inside Track was sponsored by Transitions Indy.